It is June 25th, 2023. We're at Baboos ride. I have cleaned the port side. Have not cleaned the starboard side hull yet, so I'm going to give you a comparison video. I did want to point out the waterline. The paint is completely shot. The waves are gotten too high to use hull spray. That area has been cleaned. I saved this little area just as a demonstration of what it will look like in a few days. Just with that waterline, it is not going to look like that for very long. I certainly will come back and get this. In fact, I think I'll just go and get this. Now, the way this looks right now, it's not the way it's going to look in a few days. She really needs bottom paint. Let's look under the hull. Now let's look down the side. I have not cleaned yet. Let me clean that up.